This is a place where the Prime Minister is going to conduct his meditation over there. That is a rock for the Vivekananda Rock Memorial next to the mighty Tiruvallur statue. And what happens is that, like, you see all the security measures that have been done over here. You still have the speedboats, the water scooters and everything. Entire place is fortified. Normally this place will be thronging with tourists and such. Everything is closed. In fact, like right now, more people are coming over here just to see the Prime Minister as well. In fact, I have one person here. His name is Rajveer, and he's a person who has gone ahead and completed his tour from Kashmir to Kanyakumari in 39 days. बोलिए राजवीर जी, यहाँ पे अब मोदी प्राइम मिनिस्टर भी आ रहे हैं, तो कैसा सोचा आपका?
मेरा सोचा है, मुझे ये पता नहीं था कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर आने वाले हैं, बट मुझे कल टुडे ही पता चला मॉर्निंग में कि पीएम जी आने वाले हैं. अगर हो सकता है तो मैं उन्हें एक एनवायरमेंट का मैसेज दूंगा कि मेरे तरफ से लोगों के पास बहुत अच्छा मैसेज जाए पेड़ पौधों के लिए और जल बचाएं. ऐसा करके मैंने 10 राज्यों को पार किया है और उनको
आप यहाँ पे आज आप यहाँ पे ठहर रहे हैं सिर्फ बिकॉज प्राइम मिनिस्टर इज हियर.
यस, आज बस 8 बजे मेरी ट्रेन है और मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि उसके पहले अगर मुझे मोदी जी से मुलाकात हो जाती है तो मेरा बड़ा सौभाग्य होगा. और इसलिए मैं रात को सो भी नहीं पाया क्योंकि मुझे जैसे ही पता चला तो मैंने काफी कुछ सोच रखा है उनसे बात करने के लिए.
So like this is the kind of like safety measures that have been done over here. But Pooja, just like you mentioned, the opposition is not taking it lightly, especially in Tamil Nadu. The Congress Party and DMK, various representatives have also approached the chief election officer, and they have also given kind of petitions over there stating that such kind of meditation work should not be allowed until the elections are over, because DMK and Congress very clearly state that this is nothing but a way to garner the votes. This is how the opposition sees the entire meditation program by the Prime Minister. Pooja. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will reach Kanyakumari by 5:45 p.m. as per his schedule. He is going to Vivekananda Rock Memorial, where he will conduct his meditation, half of his meditation at Sabha Mandapam and the other half at Dhyana Mandapam. And he's also scheduled to go visit Mukutty Amman Temple and certain other places as well, of which one place we've been told is this particular area. This beach, which is filled with boulders, is a very special beach because this is at one point where the people of Tamil Nadu or anybody who comes over here can see both sunrise and sunset from this point as well, because the Tamil Nadu being on the east coast, most of its land on the east coast, only people get to see the sunrise from the seashore. But here, being it's on a curved tip, the southern point of India, here people also get to see the sunset as well. That's the reason this serene beach covered with boulders is one very important point, and it's also called as a 0 point, the sunset point. And we've been told that there are chances that the Prime Minister can come over here to see the sunset as well. Divyan, Pramod Madhav for India Today.